Concealing a gun every day comfortably isn't quite as simple as it sounds. For me, it took a lot of years of carrying uncomfortably and being frustrated before I finally found what works. A holster wedge is the biggest game changer for maximizing concealed carry comfort and for helping with printing. In this video, we're going to talk about what a holster wedge is, why it matters, and how to set it up. Let's do it. This video is sponsored by Eclipse holsters. These holsters are insanely customizable with tons of different patterns, colors, belt clips, and aluminum washers. They also have some really cool custom accessories to go with your holster. I've been to their factory and seen their process firsthand. They care so much about the quality of every holster that they make. The best part is that your holster will ship in just 3 business days or less. If you want a custom holster with 0 wait time and a lifetime guarantee, then check them out at eclipseholsters.com. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. So what is a holster wedge? A holster wedge is a small pad that attaches to the back of your holster. A holster wedge tilts the grip of your gun towards your body for better concealment. So what are the benefits of using a holster wedge? A holster wedge accomplishes 3 things. A holster wedge reduces that pressure point of your holster rubbing up against your body for way better comfort. It helps keep the grip of your gun from kicking out away from your body to really help you conceal the gun well. And it prevents your holster from shifting a lot, keeping the holster in place where it needs to be. There's 3 types of holster wedges. Rubber wedges that often come with holsters. A lot of times these are built in. These can do an okay job, but they also can make you sweat a lot, which is pretty nasty. Wedges that are built into the holster. This is usually built into the shape of the kydex. Henry Holsters is a great example of this. The shape of their holster already kind of has a wedge shape. These can really help with concealment, but they don't really do anything else for comfort. And the last is foam wedges. These are kind of the perfect in-between for comfort and concealment. The coolest part about foam wedges are that they're super easy to DIY. I've made tons of these out of one yoga block from Walmart, and they work great. You can also buy them from somewhere like KSG Armory if you don't want to make one. So how do you set up a holster wedge? Well, as far as size and shape, it kind of depends on your body type and what you want. The bigger and sharper the angle of the wedge, the more aggressive the tilt will be in towards your body. Bigger isn't always better, but like a haircut, you can always cut more off, but you can't put more back on.
And what if I shampoo? Sometimes a shampoo helps.
The best way to try different angles and placements is to attach the wedge with Velcro so that you can move it around wherever you want. This really depends on how much help you need with concealment. Test out different areas and directions on your holster to see what conceals better and what feels most comfortable. The great thing about Velcro is that you can take off the wedge and stick it on another holster. So potentially, even if you have different guns and different holsters, you can just take that wedge off, stick it on the other holster. Try to avoid putting the wedge too high on your holster. Usually the pain point of an appendix carry holster is gonna be that bottom edge. So I like to have my wedge hang over the edge for the best comfort to keep that kydex from rubbing against my body. It seems like such a simple thing, but it's pretty incredible the difference a wedge can make for concealment and comfort. Let me know in the comments, have you ever used a wedge? What do you think about them? If you wanna make your own holster wedge, then check out this video next. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more concealed carry tips. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.